Today's recipe is cheese garlic bread. Ingredients: 1 cup butter softened, 1 cup garlic minced, 1 cup grated cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup grated mozzarella cheese, 1 loaf French bread, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to slice French bread into 1-inch slices. 3. In a bowl, mix butter, garlic and oregano for spread mixture onto bread slices. 5. Sprinkle cheddar and mozzarella cheese on top. 6. Season with salt and pepper. 7. Bake for 1012 minutes or until cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve hot and enjoy. Here is the calorie information for cheese garlic bread. Per serving, calories 220. Total fat 12 grams. Saturated fat 8 grams. Cholesterol 20 milligrams. Sodium 350 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 20 grams. Dietary fiber 1 gram. Sugars 1 gram. Protein 6 grams. This is an approximate value and may vary based on the specific ingredients and portion sizes used.